Oh, dude, there's a chicken next to their van.
There's a chicken, there's a wild boar, there's a chicken.
Alright, so I'm kind of lagging on the vlogs, but we're just driving around the island right now. Everyone's kind of like sleeping, chilling in the car. It's a pretty long drive. It's probably like 30-40 minutes between each stop. But we're heading over to Giovanni Shrimp right now, and we're gonna get some grub for dinner, and then we're gonna make our way back probably home because it's getting kind of dark outside. So yeah. We're over here right now near Giovanni Shrimp Truck. We got to do it right, you know, get some grub in the system before we heading back home. And Louis over here, he's tired. Look at him. But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
What did you order?
We got 3 scampies because, you know, we're gonna go grub with the parents. Got some extra rice because that's how we do. And Brian, oh, Brian's already set. Look at.
Oh yeah, that was the first one in line.
Look at that. Look at that scampi.
Yeah.
At that scampi life.
Came here at a perfect time, actually. You know, it's
Yeah.
not as like crowded.
No line. People think they close at 5, but look at that. That's the teamwork right there. You see that teamwork? Look at that. Teamwork it is.
But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love. But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
How was it, Brian?
So good, dude.
It's good.
It's so bomb.
It's bombing. Is it smacking?
Yes, it is.
Yes.
So garlicky. Our second time here. It's the best.
What did you get for the first time?
Team one. Oh, my brother got the spicy one.
Dude.
By the way, the spicy one is really spicy. So.
Dude, he was burning. He was burning. Felt bad for him, man.
It's a creeper too. Like,
Those are nice and crunchy.
it's good in the beginning, but like you're like, oh wait, it's kind of like the spicy noodle challenge.
Where you can't handle the spicy anymore.
No. But it tastes good at the same time. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Look at that good right there. Mama, what you eating?
Scampi. Scampi.
So whenever you guys drive up the North Shore, you gotta get this shrimp from Giovanni's. Any shrimp truck along the North Shore, but this is our personal favorite because it's also the only one we've tried. But other than that, you gotta just all you gotta do is you take a shrimp, take some rice, enjoy. What was that tip, Brian?
If you don't want to catch the long lines, I suggest coming late afternoon like we did. Because last time we did early afternoon.
And there was like a long line.
It was a long line.
Is there lunch?
Yeah.
Oh dang. What'd you get? Some corn? Mom got some corn.
Is yours?
That's you, Mom. See that? You gotta grab it. You gotta get your reaction. First reaction. Go. We gotta try this.
That's fine.
This North Shore shrimp, right?
They roast the garlic. I think they roast the garlic first.
Extra good, extra good. Good? Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
You want some of this?
Come on. 1, 2. There you go. Hey, what you got? What you got there? What you got?
I got me. According to Brian. This is my shirt. This is my head.
Dang. Mom, what you got, Mom?
Sunset looks coconut.
Coconut?
Coconut.
Dang.
And I'm gonna drink the juice. But I can get the meat.
You can. They're gonna open after you drink it.
Oh, okay.
If you want it. They can cut it open.
Can I put... I should just drink it from here. And then... Did you guys order anything?
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Can you take a picture of me with it?
Ooh, can never go wrong with this right here. Look at that. Right, going in on that corn, bro. Oh, that's that sunset though. Oh, that's a big one.
You know? We got this. I believe in you.
Oh, that's a fresh apple. Oh my gosh. Oh. It's been so long.
It's been so long that I haven't seen you.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Here, Mom. See it.
Dang, why you mooning?
Because like you only see these kind of sunsets on your like computer screen, on your
Napaka-deep!
it's like it's right in front of you, you know what I mean? It's like palm trees and then the sunset, like bruh. Like okay, it's different if you're in and out because they got palm trees and that's different. That's California sunset. But it's straight up like this stuff right here.
So thanks Giovanni, it's been real. We are heading back home now. We're driving from the North Shore. It's gonna be about an hour before we get back home, so we gotta make it through all this pouring rain and these rocks that I'm almost tripping on, but yeah.
You got this.
Yee! Yee! Oh man, we're so full. We're gonna be 10 times heavier now. Oh. Look at these, dude. Alright, so we just did the long drive from Kahuku North Shore back down here to Kalihi. It's still raining. We're doing a Walgreens stop right now.